Can you believe it? We're running late for a FastPass. Story of our life. We made it. We're very good at getting on our FastPasses within a 1-minute window of the FastPass being all over, because we don't do well with mornings. It's just going to get worse the longer we're here, because we got a pretty crazy schedule.
Printer.
Yeah.
You got for the wedding.
Why would someone ride Nave River Journey and then talk about a printer? People behind us, I tell you, I will never get over the people that come to Disney. Don't get it. Oh well. I think we must love racing for FastPasses because we do it every time. Now that we're done with racing to a FastPass, so we can just wander around and just relax in this incredibly beautiful land. I've been doing extremely good being on a keto diet here at Disney. Life is too short to never have carbs. So I am going to have some today because my favorite dish in pretty much all of Disney is right here in Animal Kingdom, and that is the fried rice at Yak and Yeti. I have to have it. But before we do that, we're gonna ride a few more rides. And everyone knows the theming at Disney is incredible, but I honestly think that the theming at Animal Kingdom is probably the best in all of the parks. Mind you, we still haven't been to the Star Wars land yet. We're a little early. Let's see if it works. It did work. Look at this guy. That is called a Goliath frog. He's a real Goliath. Those are called naked mole rat. That's a pretty apt name. Because moles don't normally have a long tail, and these guys do. He's a busy little guy, but he's naked. Pretty bird. I don't know why, but for some reason we've never been down this gorilla trail And this is the best. This is so awesome. I don't know why we've missed it. Just always in a rush, like we almost did today, because Char wanted to get a coffee, and I was like, we better come back or I'm going to be mad. Oh, need a hug. We have a FastPass for this ride in about 20 minutes, but single rider, pretty much going straight on. This was barely probably about 5 minutes. There goes Charmaine.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all key.
Oh, look. Bird on the stick is back. That's no good. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. Apparently going backwards. That's so good. Hey Yeti, I'm still looking for my daughter's cell phone. Could you check under that track? Thanks. Is it there? Still not there. I don't know where it is. So apparently you can now buy vodka at Animal Kingdom. That's interesting. Here we go.
Ready, set, go.
For the life of me, I'll never understand all these hairbands. Why? Why? We're back at Yak and Yeti. Actually, a little bit early for a reservation. They let us check in anyway, so that's awesome. I have to have it. I have to have the Yak and Yeti fried rice. And just looking at the menu here. Egg rolls, always classic. We've had those firecracker shrimp. They're very good. The ahi tuna nachos, really, really good. Michelle usually gets that dim sum basket. It's also good. Haven't tried the Korean fried chicken. It sounds delicious. Pork belly ramen. Michelle had that last time. I had a little bit. It was super good. I know I'm going to have the fried rice. The honey chicken is great. I know we've had the burger. Where is it? The Kobe beef burger. Probably one of the better burgers on property, in our opinion, anyways. Oh, yeah, I think that is new. The Beyond Burger. Pretty excited. It's to be the first time I've had rice or really any major carbs in months. Literally months. Oh my carbness. This looks incredible. Oh. So I'm about to try something I haven't had before. This is the Korean fried chicken. It has a spicy little dip for it. Well, that's really good. Let's try this ramen. Cue the angel voices. You'll hear their choral singing. Like I said, life's too short not to eat fried rice at Yak and Yeti. This pie is complimentary. Heather is the assistant manager here, and she watches our channel. Thank you, Heather, if you're watching. Thank you so much. We love Yak and Yeti. I've only ever had it outside. It's like the little mini mango pies you can get from the outside area. It's really good. Really mango-y. And I happen to love mangoes. It's my favorite fruit. Yak and Yeti. Every time we have to come here because every time we come here, it's a fantastic meal. The fried rice, classic. It's great every time. We always get it. New things for today was the Korean fried chicken. I definitely would recommend that. I think it's a newer item. We haven't had it before. Really, really good. The ramen's great. Michelle had it last time we were here, and I had it. I Loved it. And I want to give a special thanks to Heather and Melissa. Melissa was our server. Heather is the assistant manager here, who bought us a mango pie, which was incredible. And that mango pie is so darn good. Delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time from The Holy Moly. Bye-bye.